And we're making up the final piece for the intake side.
Yep, sir.
A lot of work, right?
Yep.
Tedious work.
Very. Especially working with these pie cut.
The pie cuts, right? And the angle you have to work with.
Yeah.
You guys can see. I'll put the camera down here so you can see. Pretty intensive. As you guys know, turbo's been nice. Turbo had to get adjusted. This had to get adjusted and put the right angle. You know, exhaust's gonna go up. Everything look good. Steady as she goes. So after you're done with the part there, well, you gotta concentrate on the wastegate, or
Yeah, the wastegate.
the wastegate.
And securing the intercooler.
Secure the intercooler some more.
Yeah. There's no it can move. I'm just working with these markers. Yeah, this kind of push it.
Oh, the marks you have right there.
This one is more critical because this one is closer to the bumper.
Okay.
This side is a little bit further from the bumper, so that can.
Right.
This side I have to stay with this mark.
Alright guys, stay tuned. This is 60 that we're going to be using. So yeah, this car's coming along pretty nice. It's been with us for a little bit, but you know, the crew had to go to Japan, over there for a while, come back. So we jumped on it, camera flowing. Couple cars finishing up, GSR, Mini. You know, pretty busy. Sone's on the case swap acne, do some adjustments. So you had to change up both shocks in this car, right?
Yeah, we changed it. We put a smaller one in here to drop the car, then we had to rebuild this right here. So we're gonna box all this up here, and we had to redo all this right here. So
hopefully now
everything's everything should be a lot better, angles and everything. So
alright. You guys
go get a line.
Okay.
You gotta tighten everything up and all that. So
you guys know we did this case swap acne, and you know, first time doing something like this is like raw. It's like almost building a complete truck over again. So the R&D process.
we're just fine tuning everything right now. So yeah, it's getting there.
Okay.
Getting there.
Quickly the overview. We got a battery right there. Breather box.
You're going lower.
This thing is built pretty good, man. The edge won't do it away.
Tighten this more, wouldn't that be lowering it? Or yeah, lowering it? No?
When you tighten it, you're raising it up.
Okay.
So when you go down,
Oh,
that's
okay,
when you're
okay,
going
okay.
down. This one should be low. It should keep all the angles straight. So once this thing goes down, now this thing here, control arm and all that should be straight. The axle should be straight too. So
Okay.
final adjustment. Final adjustment.
We got an intake part. Looks like it's completed now. Final fitment, squeeze. Make sure everything fits. There's so much pie cut, man. I forgot to start sell pie. You want to raise up the intercooler a little bit, tilt it to the back, or you can't really tilt the other side down, right? Have to be exact, right?
Yeah.
Them the other clamp there, where you like, or kind of have a flex to it?
This?
The clamp there.
Yeah. It's a good problem to catch, like in tight situation like this. Just because I have a spacer inside there,
Okay.
I use this too.
You know the step. You see him? See him know the step? You know the step of a real bad
You
boy.
check me, don't know? Yeah, I think it's gonna be harder to catch with the rubber in it.
You might need a rubber, right?
Yeah.
A nice one.
So you can see it out clear.
Yeah.
And the spacer is still in this one.
Okay.
That's basically where it's going to sit. And to squeeze this radiator in here now.
Where they're gonna stay? It's gonna stay mount on this, right? That spot like that.
Yeah. And a traction bar, but it's pretty close. Very close.
We'll see turbo too.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to coat this with the gold coat, right?
Yep. Very close. I can take all of these things out though.
This thing has come along beautiful, guys. So if you guys will stay tuned with us. Finish this thing up. Getting ready, we're gonna be making the fuel filler right there, the fuel tank. Kenroy is on it.
This way.
Well, guys, as you can tell, we did some last, some more adjustments, right? And we finally got it.
So now it's dead on, like it rides so smooth. 80, 100 miles per hour, no problem.
No problem.
Before, we was having issues, so what we did was we got a smaller tires. So we went from a 195 60 14 to 185 55 14, and it seems like that's what we needed. And we lowered the car more. So what we did down here, you can see it's much better because the angles of the axles are straight now.
Yeah.
We changed, we got new shorter
shocks.
and we relocated. Instead of having all the way there, we put it here, which was now it's perfectly aligned. So everything, everything is.
The exhaust got Cerakoted.
Oh yeah, Cerakoted the exhaust. So got a couple more things that we got to do. We got to get alignment. We got to change up a few nuts and bolts, and put the fender flare back on. So now it doesn't even hit anymore like here. In the snow,
right, perfect,
so, yeah,
it's good to go.
Looks good. Looks good. That's what I envisioned. Yeah. I think once we put the fender flare, it will make it look like it's sitting right on it like this.
Yeah.
So that would be good. But anyways, yeah. So there it is.
There you guys go. Final product.
Come on, I'll take you for a spin.
All right, let's go.
You tell me what you think. tune and all that.
Yeah.
And then there's a few more things that I'm looking at. It's fun now. Well, I don't want to get on it. I want to make sure that everything's
It's going back in the shop.
But it's good, yeah, it's going back to the shop.
Later.
I'll see ya.
Alright guys, you improve. Drive way better.
Way better, yeah.
Sweet. Now we got the parachute bracket. Trying to get that situated right here. Ken is on the grind with it. We're gonna have the whole parachute set up here. I already bought the parachute for it, the rear bracket, bars to go inside, hand lever, and the actual parachute. So we're gonna do as much as we can in this car, hand back to the customer. Everything's going nice. You guys already seen that. More updates on this coming. Probably gonna put a drop up there. Drop the wastegate right there.
More.
Or tilt up, or tilt
Yeah, up. Maybe I need to just go do this a bit. Maybe I'm going. Watch the hole. Maybe this is what. So I use.
So you're gonna put the wastegate here instead of here, right?
Yeah.
Because right there, what you say right there, you just
the boost, the exhaust pressure from these two cylinders
just gonna fly past
might
there.
pass this, yeah.
So the person that kind of designed that
Overboost.
overboost, right? So this is the reason that it's not a good design to have it right there, right?
Well, personally, I don't like to make the collector this short if we're going to use this big
16,
wastegate.
Yeah,
Because where it's split inside,
yeah.
these
blocking
two
off these
cylinders,
two.
right? These two cylinders, for it to come out, it have to come all the way down here and then turn.
And it's not gonna do that.
It's not going to do that. So these two is going to keep
Of the spike.
pulling keeping the turbo speed. Yeah.
All right, guys, we're marking up the 60 wastegate. It's gonna go right there.
So I'm going to bore it right there and install it there.
What, for 10? Half an hour.
Yeah, man.
Walk around here. Take a look. Parachute mount looking good. Everything's getting welded up. All braced up nice in here. This thing's coming together nice. What do you guys think? Camera's on it.
We didn't have remember we didn't get the bend. I wanted to make like a teardrop at the end of the exhaust.
Oh, okay.
So I'm going to weld this up and then cut it.
And this is for the one coming out.
Yeah.
Okay. More fab going on up in this. Take a closer look. Got one teardrop down. Everything's looking super nice. This location is gonna be way better right here. What do you guys think of this? Alright, I'm gonna drop 2 teardrops on this. Everything crisp. Gotta focus on this radiator next. But yeah, coming together. Guys think.
S1 all-wheel drive, got them Honda skeletons. S1 all-wheel drive, got them Honda skeletons. Will have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got them Honda skeletons.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got them Honda the skeletons. Them wheels are always gripping, don't get caught slipping. You get behind the wheel, build it, your Honda's built. It's military grade, but this is not a drill. It's American made, but we all will drive the world. I see them changing the game, that's when always will. Got them cars killing speeds and just sound like artillery. It's all will indeed, almost like a war machine, like it's meant for the infantry, Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Now they clock triple digit speeds, and they got them on the bases. Must be all the innovation, watch them racing information. Got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in a Civic or an S2K. This is not your daily S1, all wheels gripping pavement. S1, S1, you gon' want a test run. All wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, S1, you gon' want a test run. All wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skeletons. All wheel gripping, 4-4 wheel gripping. S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skeletons. All wheel gripping, will have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skeletons. Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping. S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skeletons. Them wheels are always gripping, don't get caught slipping. We ain't even on the straights yet, warming up that A6. In Florida got the street cred, we rolling down the street quick. Got that MSD switch, B-Series or a ZC, and that LSV tech, hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at, yeah, we go to Mexico, racing for the pink slips, and ain't no 12 to catch us, so K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20, MR2, and SXCRX with the K24, reppin' that EF, go back to the days of the HF, DX, the EX, before them green underglows. If you ain't see it, you must be running slow. Say you in something we can't afford, but we got that camera cord that's S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skeletons. All wheel gripping, 4-4 wheel gripping. S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skeletons.